What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to set up a Facebook Business Manager account and share your Facebook and Instagram assets with your team or agencies or anyone that you might be working with. The benefit of a Facebook Business Manager account is it gives you access to all your Facebook assets. So that includes your Facebook page, your Instagram profile, your product catalog if you have an e-commerce site, your Facebook ad account, and your Facebook pixels. It even includes access to Facebook analytics and apps if you have an app that you're featuring on the Facebook app platform. So all your Facebook assets can be associated in one account, which gives you ease of use, and also it allows you to share individual assets with individual people. So what does that mean? If I have another team member that is going to be assisting me on my Facebook page and be posting content on my Facebook page, I can share with them access to the Facebook Business Manager account only for that Facebook page without having to give them the login to my Facebook profile to access it. So it helps streamline your workflow and also helps with sharing assets and controlling who sees what. So today I'm going to show you the steps on how to set this up, and we're going to go over that right now. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how to set up a Facebook Business Manager account. Step 1, go to business.facebook.com. Step 2, click Create Account. Step 3, Facebook is now going to ask you for your business name and then your full name and work email address. Step 4, from this point on, Facebook is going to be asking you for all the assets you want to add, starting with your Facebook page. Now, if you don't have one, this is the time to create one. Step 5, move on through the rest of the workflow. And then Facebook is going to ask you for the rest of the assets that you want to add. So this is where you would add your Facebook ad account, your Facebook pixel, your Instagram account, and each individual asset that you'd like to associate with your Facebook Business Manager account. Once you complete the setup, you can then move on to sharing the assets with the rest of your team. So here are the steps to do so. Step 1, go to the business settings of your business profile. Step 2, under People and Assets, click on People. Step 3, click the plus sign. Step 4, enter the work email of the people that you'd like to share the Facebook assets with, and then click Add People. From this point on, the individual that you shared the assets with will receive an email notification which will allow them to then access the Business Manager account. They don't have to have a Facebook profile associated with that work email. They'll just have access to that Facebook Business Manager account. With Facebook Business Manager, you now have a hub to share all your information and all your assets with the rest of your team and agencies moving forward. There are different steps involved in sharing things with an agency, but what this does, it allows you to control access with other people, and it also helps you streamline your workflow and your process, especially if you're running ads. So this is definitely something that's very useful for a lot of people when they're starting out with Facebook, and it's definitely something that all advertisers and managers of social media accounts need to set up in order to keep everything organized and to also streamline their workflow. So I hope this video helps you out. If you guys found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. What's up guys? Thanks for watching my YouTube video. If you guys found the video useful, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, make sure you check out my blog at bryanlozano.com/blog, where you can get more information on the topics I covered in this video, plus more. Also, subscribe to my newsletter so you can get all this information sent directly to your inbox the moment I put up brand new content. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.